Shh. Hey guys, look, the ice cream truck, it's here. Guys, come on, get in line. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yay! Oh-hoo! Okay guys, this is free ice cream truck day, so you can just decide, but you can only get one thing, and this is a cupcake. Oh, thank you so much. I love free ice cream truck day. So can I have just a cupcake, any type? I don't really care. Coming right up. Press. A purple cupcake. Yummo. Go on, go up. Now, what do you want? A cupcake or ice cream? Ice cream. Okay, can I have a small sundae, please? With cherry on top and chocolate syrup. Okay. It's right there. Thank you very much. Come on. Come over here. I want cupcake. Okay, let's make a small cupcake. A small cupcake, okay, right? Yeah. Okay, this will take about 1 minute, so just wait in line. Oh man, I'll go away. No, wait, come back. You gotta wait. Okay. I wait right here. Guys, get in line. We're getting in line. Okay, about 5 more minutes. Sorry. Wait, no, not 5 more minutes. About 5 seconds. Sorry about that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's ready. I think it's ready. Okay, there we go. I'll do it for you. Hey! Okay. May I please have a bowl of chocolate chip mint ice cream? It'll match my ears. Okay, that's pretty neat. Here you go. Ooh. Exactly how I wanted it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Next. Oh, move out of the way. Shit. Can I have an ice cream cone, please? That's all. Okay. a big ice cream cone. Are you sure I can have it? Hello? Oh, yeah. It's free. You can have whatever you want, just so you can only get one thing. Wow, thanks. I love strawberry too. I was gonna ask for chocolate, but strawberry's fine. Hey, look, chocolate syrup. Whatever. Mm. I want a cupcake. Me too. Oh, please wait in line. Yay. Thank you. I love pink cupcakes. Can you please eat on there? Oh, sorry. Caw cupcake! Caw! It's up there already. Caw. Purple. Hi, I would like some cupcake. Come in, right? Come in, right up. 1 second. There you go. Yeah. It matches your color. Of your feathers. Thank you everybody for coming to the ice cream truck. And remember, it only comes on Thursdays and Wednesdays. Or Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Enjoy your ice cream, everybody. Oh, and remember to return the dishes in the same spot the ice cream truck was, right here. Thank you very much. Oh, and I'll mark the little red dot thing right there. Right there. And the ice cream is right there. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a nice day, everybody. Wait. My ice cream. It's all gone. Oh man, where ice cream truck? Where's the ice cream truck? It drove away, I'm sorry. Wait. Just come over here. Wow, I didn't know how to voice. Delicious. Done with this ice cream, I don't return it. Where's the little red dot? Is it over here? Oh, there it is. Turn it right there. Okay, guys, remember to return your dishes and bowls and whatever. Oh, and I think she said to return the cupcake metal things from the cupcakes. I'm gonna go. Come on, guys. Come on, little bunny. Let's go. Oh, got your food bowl. Yes, nasty.